Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kika Organ, and I know this is strange. This is the content you did not sign up for, but it's here for you, okay? Yeah. All right. So so I have my friends here with me. I have
DinmaOkorie
and
Gamjee.
Should they do peace? But you didn't see her.
Oh yeah. The frame can barely take like the three of us. So.
Okay, no, but don't worry. It's humble beginnings, they say. Humble beginnings. Okay, so shout out to Dinma for this setup. You know, as per camera guy. So today we're bringing you something strange. I mean, like you're supposed to be learning sign language here, but we're here for this. Thank you and welcome. We're going to be so we posted on our social media platforms on what did we post? Yeah, juicy. Now that I think about it, that caption was a little wrong. Why did we ask for juicy? Why did you just ask for first impressions or something? But no problem. Well, content has been taken. So we asked juicy assumptions, right? Yeah, assumptions about us. Okay, and I'm just going to be reading us a few and be seeing the comments that. Okay, so we didn't really get a lot because everybody on our social media, all of them are snobs.
I need to unfollow so many people because they're all
snobs. Yes. So I don't know if you can see it, but this was like the video we put on. Oh, okay, the light is not good.
We'll probably just put it
on the screen. Yeah, that's true. So the first one that comes from one of our classmates says y'all are peng. Okay.
Weird.
It's what we do. It's our job.
Now then the Russian.
Bengalicious. Okay. The second one came from my childhood friend. She was like, y'all are fine. Love to see it.
Yeah.
There's something about a girl gassing up another girl. Like, you're like, if a boy compliments you, you're like, yes, I know, I'm fine.
Thank you.
But when a girl,
I think it's because it means more. Like, I think it means more when, like.
Is it because girls hate girls so much?
You know me, I'm not a girls hate girls. I mean, I feel like girls.
You're not girls hate girls, but when you want girls, you're not. I see that idiot. But the guy is like, I just mind, don't even mind him. Just a useless guy. But with the girl, you're like, what's wrong? Why is she having problems?
I know, because she's a girl. I don't expect she's having problems with me because you're a girl. Like, she understands the struggle.
That's my point. So when another girl that understands your struggle comes out compliment, you're like, girl, you didn't see this makeup, bro. You didn't see it.
Do you know how long it took? And then for a girl to compliment you.
Yeah, that's really good. She understands.
She understands.
And she has acknowledged you guys.
She has.
She says, you're fine, okay?
My body is shaking.
Okay, so this one is from one of my friends.
Please.
And he said the babe in the middle, juicy af.
Who is the babe in the middle? You're not in the middle now.
No, not our picture where they're doing like Now me, they back, they do this side now. Remember who's in the middle?
I'm dry as fuck, but okay. You're juicy.
Double F. So it's like fuck. So like the babe in the middle, juicy F. With that emoji where your eyes are watery. He's saying water. Okay, so we have another one from our
What's that? What's that one?
It can't be read. I read it. Said, you people are swimming in funds.
But if only please. Money they are seeing.
Come spoil me.
Invest it in our lives, please.
I will come spoil me. God.
Please.
Baba God.
Say that we're swimming in funds. If you're the one that posted this, send us money. But send us money, because if you think that we have money,
I'm swimming in nothing but air.
We are swimming money. I'm swimming money. Jesus.
Amen. IJN. Amen. We say amen before we speak this into existence. But I'm going to send this link to you and tell you that you think that we are swimming in funds.
Send us money.
All of us like this. All of us. Our eyes red.
Don't open now. Don't expose us.
Sorry. we look like money bag, we know.
But
we are rich IJN. Somebody say amen.
Amen. We just don't expose what we're already exposed.
Do you see my Louis Vuitton bag here? If it's not here, for long as I can't afford Louis Vuittons, I've been at Louis Vuitton, red bottom by myself. I'm not swimming in any fund yet, and I'm sure that everyone has the money, I'll never even buy it.
It's a lie. Shut up.
Leave her after talking.
You of all of us, you that. Okay.
Let's not even start.
Okay, so this one is from Dinma's friend. And he used one word, 4 letters. Guess the word. Someone should just guess the word. Guess the word and bust my head.
Juicy.
4 letters, Richard. Even if you cannot spell juicy, I said 4 letters.
Okay, it seems like school ran through you.
You didn't run through this. 4 letters. And he says meant.
What does he mean by that? Who's that person? Who's that person?
He said we should not mention names.
Let's not mention names, but whoever you are.
What does SBL? His surname's at the NGN.
What does that mean? And meant.
Wow. Say you want to wine me?
I don't know, like you.
I thought they say they're meant. They say they're meant.
And that's the meaning. That like
So we're meant.
What does that mean?
You are not receiving it well.
Like when did he expect us like receive it well? Like what was that supposed to mean?
You know,
I don't
understand why Dinma is asking me, because it's put it on her Instagram. Now it's on your Instagram.
Like it's your audacity. All your audacity.
Me, I don't know what meant means, but you know, my definition of meant is many. Okay, so many, efficient, nice. But I don't know what you mean by men.
We all don't know what you mean. Like,
but outside this group, hit me up. I they meant to. So lucky me, I understand, but they don't. You know, they're not mad. I can be. All right. Okay. So another one says, of course, it's coming from Dinma's people. Dinma will slay in anything.
period. Like you know me.
The fact that it's coming from my Instagram just so also we're trying to whine her.
Clearly, because they know I be sleeping.
Do you see that? Okay, this is what this is me. I just face envy and jealousy. What this happens is complete. We are drunk.
Oh my God.
You don't choke. This envy and jealousy is choking us. Okay. So another one is,
What's that?
people are playing ball. Said y'all be playing niggas left and right.
Like ping pong.
Only John, no.
I'm really sad because
We don't do that. We
I
don't.
mean, except for one person. Right?
Who is the one person?
Except for one person. Yeah. Who don't bag her man?
But I like obviously, clearly, we're not playing men.
No, we actually don't.
If not for anything, we're finding the man of our dreams. Okay, or the men of our dreams. If it's not
Sure,
that
don't
one.
let your boyfriend stop you from finding the love of your life.
Period. Cool.
But like no, we're not playing men. No, we're first of all, if you don't even know us, we are not outside.
That's the thing.
Like we're not outside. We're not outside. Like maybe because they see us post that.
That's once every 2 months or
2 months, 6 months. When was the last time I went out?
It's been long ago. It's been a while though.
But when we go out like.
It's a lie. The last time they went out, the two of them, they went out just some weekend ago.
No, that's not just
some
like
weeks
that's like a
ago,
month ago.
and I was not around.
That's like a month ago.
No, it's not up to a month yet.
But actually,
17th will make it a month. I have the date in my head. I'm very pain because I went out 3 days straight.
No,
almost 2 days.
And the third day they wanted to go out, but they were tired.
She had the presentation. Then she was.
It's my prayer that was working against them. I've been working against them.
It was a fun night.
Can you?
guy. Like let me tell you, like it was fun.
It was crazy.
Oh god.
I don't even want to think about it.
Like I feel like my presentation that day.
You know how people say I'm knee deep, I'm throat deep, I'm be submerged in envy. I was watching that stuff from Delta State and I was like, fuck these bitches. But then I'm like, have fun. it will end, sha. And it ended. Guess what? In less than 8 hours, it ended. And I hit the road after coming back to Lagos.
Yeah.
So
I was asking me, are we going out today?
I'm trying to mocking me. Like the way they're mocking me now.
I thought I was tired. I can't.
It's cool.
I could barely. Do you know? Like I slept for like 2 days. That's how I know that like I'm growing old. Like I'm growing old. That's how I know. I slept for 2 days straight.
And I can't relate.
Like you couldn't have woken me up and be like, oh man, it was.
It's one of my sleep.
I can't relate.
What's the next assumption?
I'm going to put a silence here because number one, this is my channel. 2, I'm sad. Okay. Now okay, so the next one.
It's from
This from Uche's Instagram.
Of course. What's that? What did they say?
You're juicy, with love struck face and a red heart. Not the light red heart, that dark red that you have to swipe more to go and look for it. You're juicy. We know that they meant one person.
But we are now, aren't we?
Dinma said she's dry.
Let me tell you. Do you know what can make me juicy? Money. Money will make me juicy.
Money.
At the moment, I'm dry. Man.
Must be funny. Yay! So yeah, and then the last one, okay, this one they come from forest. It does say good girl with wild spirit.
White or wild?
Wild. WILD.
You know what you said? Come from forest.
Come from forest. Because who is to think about wild spirit? It is not, you know when they say evil forest? Please, no wild spirit. Wild spirit.
We don't have no.
I mean, you never say good girls that are, that are bad on the low. No, you say that wild. Our spirit belongs to Jesus. Jesus. And him alone. What do you wild want? You never say, good girls that want to go wild. No, you can't call my spirit.
Wild.
My spirit's man. My spirit where I need them be heaven like this. I beg. We know they wild spirits anywhere.
Oh my God.
Okay?
Jesus only. Jesus only.
The Jesus, God, Holy Spirit. Those are the spirits that we have in us.
Yes,
Not wild spirits.
of course.
If you think you're seeing wild spirit, but then you need to go to the hospital. Sorry, pastor. Let them wash away your eye. Like one of the church or the Delta State, this pastor that was leading the wedding said that, and he's preaching, he's seeing money water. He's seeing half human, half spirits. Half human, half money water. He's seeing python. You know the pastor, what would you be doing? You just stand there and pray. You never pray. You never pray against people. So you that you're seeing white spirit amongst us. These are our assumptions from people. Some we know, some we don't know. In quote juicy or quote.
So they see us finish. This is what they just thought. Juicy
Like when we said Jesus, like I thought they were going to give us like more like
Exactly. Yes.
Like I said, we need to follow
Baby, do you want
everybody.
me?
Yeah. Baby, do you want me?
I want you.
They don't get that juicy now. They don't talk am. Juicy why your mother no go fit wan talk am. Na the juicy una like.
Oh my God.
Na the juicy una want abi. When they say you guys look like you have some fat, you go swallow the remaining. You go all put siren. I mean a big. So you can see that overall we are good girls that are peng. Okay.
Okay.
So you know the usual. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Okay. I'm gonna put Dinma and Uche's handles in the video. Make sure you click the link to go and watch their videos too, because we have content.
So on Uche's video, we're going to be doing the say it or shut it, and on my video, we're going to be on my own channel. We're going to be doing who's more likely to.
Yeah.
I think. So if you want to check,
Watch out for that. Watch out for that. Some more picture go show throughout. Picture go they show, okay? So you guys make sure you guys at least subscribe to their channels. Let's try and get this back. Okay. I watch their videos. Dinma is into makeup. Some coffee shit. Maybe day to day life. She has spoken lifestyle. And Uche, what are you into?
Into sharing
on your YouTube channel.
Lifestyle.
It's some deep shit.
real life, like the real life issues she's going through, so that you know that
It's not
as
being-
YouTubers, you know, it's not all glim and glamour.
Glitz and glamour.
When it comes about, I knew I was wrong. It's not all glitz and glamour, you know. She tells you about. She gives a lot of reactions. Some wear it all. Now get money they show.
Yeah, she does haul. Yeah.
So if you're in Nigeria, you know, you want to know how to get some clothes from Shein and, you know, some
Shopping
gym
online.
wear, shopping online. You can hit Uche up. Yeah, YT channel. Why are you too? So because this is a sign language channel and I've not done any sign, this is YouTube. This is YouTube, guys. So why? And then, you know. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Comment.
See how they are telling you.
And we'll see you in our next video.
And make sure to click the description box below. Show more. I mean, show more now. Show more. You show more.
I don't know. Should I box down?
And click the links to their channels and make sure you watch this video. Okay.
Bye.
Bye guys. Mwah. Giggle or you giggle now. Giggle it out. Giggle it out.
Basta mo yung marita, yung marita.
Hello, man. Okay.